for you guys today. Little. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I have an exciting video for you guys today. We're heading over to Chad's shop again. We're finally putting a cutout on the truck. I just picked up a QuickTime Performance cutout from Summit Racing. It's something I've wanted to do for a long time. It'll be really awesome for like events like Cars and Coffee to just flip the switch and flip it over to just basically open headers or straight pipes. It's going to be awesome. I'm so excited for it. This truck's going to sound insane with it on it. I opted for it to just keep this exhaust how it is and upgrade it to the 3-inch instead of the 2 3/4 a little while back, because I know this exhaust probably won't be on it too awful long, and it's plenty to handle the NA power of the 6.0 right now. When we do a turbo setup, this will probably all be off the truck, so I didn't want to go out and buy a whole new X-pipe and redo everything. And then I wanted to do a cutout, so I knew I'd have to buy 2 cutouts doing that. So a lot of people are wondering about that. But we should be over there in just a sec, so I'll meet you guys over there. Alright, we're rolling up on Chad's shop. Looks like someone's pulling out. Someone's got him a nice little car on the trailer. I'm sure he just got done working on that. Running a lot better. Like, I think he added a whole lot more timing in the upper RPMs. So here's all the stuff from QuickTime Performance. If I can get it out one-handed. Let's see what this guy is. There's the actual cutout. Chad's got the turn down. That looks pretty nice, actually. This here's the, I opted for the wireless remote controller. That way, I heard like when you flip the switch, if you hold it open too long, you can burn up the motor. So this will do it all by itself. I really like that. I think in here is the actual Y that Chad will weld up. Chad's got the Y out. Looks pretty good. Is that stainless?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so I picked all this up for $333. You can find this on eBay and then have Summit price match it. And then I added. There was one thing it didn't have. I don't think it had the extra gasket for the turn down on eBay, so I added that. Before we get it up there, check out this C10. It's pretty nice. A local shop, I guess, did the motor on it, and then Chad's actually tuning the carburetor on it, not doing anything to the exhaust. That's kind of funny. I love these trucks so much. I have, well, shoot, I shouldn't say that. I want to build a 72. And I will build the 72, but I don't want to get into that right now. He's got this Porsche over here. It's got a small block Chevy in it. It's so weird. I think it's back there, somewhere in there. I think he did the exhaust on this. Here's his truck. It's a Vortec Max 2500. So it has a 6-liter. He's gonna pull this 6-liter and he's putting it in his Camaro. What year is your Camaro?
71.
He's got a 71 Camaro, I'll show you that. But he just got a crate motor to go back in this. I think he's going to build this motor, have it rebuilt to go in the Camaro. There's that crate motor, I think, I'm guessing. This is his baby. This is what he's building that 6-liter for. It's a pretty sick car. I love these. I think he's got a 327 in it right now. I've heard it run, and it sounds really good, but he's going to pull that out and just put a better motor in it. So, 6.0 swap. This right here is exactly why you bring your stuff to Chad, not shop across the street or shop in Shawnee. So this is horrible. This is the stuff he has to fix. This is crazy. Right, guys, we're back from lunch. Chad's been working on the truck. He's almost got it wrapped up. He's got the Y put on here and the turn down and cutouts right there. We just gotta plug it up. I think I'm gonna heat shrink this just to protect it from getting wet, and then we're gonna find somewhere, I guess, to to mount it. Looks like I'm needing a carrier bearing, so I may have him do that sometime if he's down for it. He's got all the bolts tightened up on it now, so now we're just going to run it through. I think we're going to wire it to the cigarette lighter, you said?
Yeah, I want that.
And then it'll be pretty clean. We're going to mount the wireless controller under the dash, but it looks really good. Going to lower it down so you can run the wiring, but this is heat shrink now. And it's got an O-ring in it too, so it's not going to leak at all. Going down. There's a Mustang coming in. He's gonna do a full exhaust on. This thing is gorgeous. It's got 289 in it. That's gonna look really good.
I don't want it like that. I want it kind of
About an inch out.
yeah, kind of like that.
Okay.
I want this.
This will be a fun little exhaust job. This car is clean. I love this thing. Some Kragers on it. Thing sounds pretty good. It's just open headers right now. He's taking care of a customer right now, but we're just running this through kind of on the factory wiring up and over, and then we're going to run this wire through up under the dash. That's where we're going to put the wireless controller. He's got it run through here in the dash. There's the wireless controller. Getting it wired up. It's going to be really clean. We're wiring it into this guy. I lied. We're hooking it into the cigarette lighter, not that guy. So just going to cut right here and wire into it. Should be super clean. I'm gonna love it. Got all this heat shrink. Looks really good. This thing only pulls, would you say, one amp or 1.5?
Yeah, one amp, less than 1 amp.
So that'll be perfect. Open. It's fast. I'm gonna click it in here.
Are they in that seat?
I got my keys in my pocket. It'll be crazy. Closed. That's open. Oh, that's loud. Through the muffler. Really good. That's crazy. Sounds good. Works.
We'll raise it up and then show it opening and closing.
Everything's put back together, so he's lifting it up and we can watch the cutout open and close. That's through the muffler. It's open. Not really any's coming out of here, so that's good. Through the muffler and then open up the cutout. Woo! We're gonna die up under here. And then close it again. That was really good. Taking some pictures for his Facebook page. get in it and shut it back off. About to die of breathing in those fumes. He's tacking up one spot that's leaking right at the Y pipe meets the aluminum. Well, alright guys, he's got the cutout installed. About to go pick up my mom. She actually came and picked me up in her car so that I could drive back and forth to go get lunch and come back. Wasn't stuck here. But it's all installed. It's super clean. I love it. It sounds so good. We'll get a couple more clips of it before we end. But Chad's worked on all my vehicles now, and he's always done a good job. I've had trouble finding good exhaust people, so I'm definitely thankful for it. There's that nice truck again. But here's the sign again. I don't have his card on me. I have a couple at the house. I don't think the address is on here, but if you need it, message me on Instagram or anything. Chad does awesome work. Alright guys, we're leaving Chad's. Got the cutout open and we're gonna hop on the highway with it open. Sorry I left you some rubber, Chad, but I love this truck. Appreciate him doing that to the truck. He does such good work. There's so many people around exhaust shops you can't trust, and he did a killer job with this truck. Sounds awesome. Give it a little gas here. Sounds so good. I love it. And I love the fact that this cutout doesn't leak. When I close it, it closes and it sounds just like it did with just the muffler. So definitely like the QuickTime Performance cutout. I've wanted to do this for so long and I'm glad to have it done. Gonna end the video here, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Big shout out to Chad for installing the cutout. Thought what a better way to end than with some Mexico burnouts. Truck sounds killer. Love the way the cutout makes the cam sound, so definitely enjoying it. It's got that gallop sound to it with it open. It's so much louder than with it closed. I love it so much. Not quite a sleeper with it closed, but it still sounds so good. But thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe down below. Have a blessed day.